In recent years, there has been a surge in the development of electric vehicles, including cars, trucks, SUVs, and even semi-trucks. Various manufacturers have designed and produced these vehicles, with Tesla leading the way in innovation and design. Tesla's Model Y and Model X are popular models offering plenty of space for cargo and families. However, some consumers require even larger vehicles to accommodate their needs. For instance, families with 8 or more members may need a vehicle to comfortably seat everyone. Similarly, businesses that rely on transportation, such as construction companies, may need larger vehicles like project vans. These businesses can benefit from using electric vehicles, as it can help them reduce their carbon footprint and contribute to a more sustainable future. With the ongoing advancements in electric vehicle technology, it's becoming increasingly possible to produce larger electric vehicles that meet the needs of various consumers and industries. As the demand for eco-friendly transportation continues to grow, we can expect to see even more innovative and sustainable electric vehicles. In Tesla's Secret Plan Part 2, Elon Musk said that high-density urban transport was needed to help round out the future of electric cars. Whether he was thinking about the robot taxi that day or possibly a higher capacity vehicle based off the chassis of the Cybertruck, we know for sure Elon has been throwing ideas around for a Tesla van for years. We're sure about the information about the secret Tesla van vehicle goal that Elon Musk is implying. So, how is this car designed? What features does it have compared to competitors in the same segment? Tesla may be preparing to launch a new electric van in 2024 with the potential to be offered as both a commercial model and a more comfortable people mover variant. If the information is accurate, the new model would be built alongside the Cybertruck and based on the same platform as the upcoming UT. In July 2022, Tesla's CEO Elon Musk hinted at a highly configurable Donovan for people and cargo. His master plan, Part 2 from 6 years ago, also pointed to a people mover eventually joining the Tesla model range. A year prior, in 2016, Musk also wrote on Twitter that it made sense to build a van off the pickup truck chassis. Based on speculation, especially from us, the upcoming Tesla van model will be influenced by the distinctive features of the Cybertruck and the inherent traits of a typical van. Hence, Tesla has coined the name Cybervan for this model. So how is the Cybervan going to be designed? An IHS Markit industry report uncovered by Rivian Forums predicts Tesla's minivan will debut in late 2024 and be built alongside the Cybertruck at the Austin, Texas facility. Reaching out directly to Tesla seeking comment is useless because it needs a PR department. Still, this report source is typically fairly accurate regarding future vehicle predictions. The 2024 Tesla Cybervan could take inspiration directly from a certain polarizing truck. That's not necessarily bad, because Musk will surely want to avoid a traditional-looking minivan. First, what range can we expect from an electric high-capacity people mover like the Tesla Cybervan? With competitors putting out vehicles with estimated ranges around the 125 to 200 mile mark, Tesla may shoot for the higher range of about 200 to 250 miles or more. However, a longer range means a bigger battery, and that is where current shortages may be a limiting factor to Tesla's innovation and competition with the Tesla van. If some of the original estimates for the Cybertruck's battery size are correct, and if the Tesla van is built on a Cybertruck chassis and not the Model X chassis, the Tesla van may have up to 200 kWh battery pack, possibly down to 100 kWh for a base model. That's a lot of extra battery production in an industry already scrambling to secure battery materials. Speaking of battery materials, Tesla currently targets lithium iron phosphate batteries as its vehicle's most cost-effective, energy-efficient design. However, a Tesla van might need to rely on battery technology that uses some amount of cobalt. Why might Tesla go back to a battery design that includes cobalt? Well, suppose the van is being designed as a load carrier instead of a people mover as a Tesla minibus. In that case, a lighter battery with a higher energy density is preferable. In fact, competitor GM makes an lithium battery pack from a nickel-coupled manganese aluminum design to create vehicles with similar capacity need as a potential Tesla van. Regardless of the component materials, the limited battery supply remains the biggest roadblock to the Tesla van ever moving from design to reality. Incidentally, the battery problem is also why there's been such a big stall in the production and delivery of the Cybertruck and the Semi. Moving on, how much will the Tesla van set you back? The price of a Tesla van would likely be in the $55,000 to $80,000 range. If the van is more of a work van design, as it is likely to be if Tesla decides to start using an in-house design for their mobile service fleet, it would need to face current competition. For example, Ford's 2023 E-Transit cargo van currently has a starting MSRP of $53,790, while the Mercedes-Benz E-Sprinter goes for about $45,000 to $50,000. For a Tesla repair or work van to make financial sense, Tesla will need to produce the van at a production cost lower than the manufacturer's suggested retail price of competitors. This would allow them to save by using their own vans and profit from selling them at a decent margin. But what about a Tesla camper or a lifestyle van? We've seen a lot of questions about whether Tesla will build a van for those who want to live out the dream of a fully electric lifestyle off the grid. While a Tesla van with solar panels and living space accessories sounds fabulous, the reality is that some kind of nomad lifestyle EV line is lower on the priority list than every other project Tesla has in motion or might announce that we can think of. Even a Tesla motorcycle would be more important to the agenda of electrifying the transportation sector than a camper-style Tesla would be, and Elon says he won't make a motorcycle. However, the possibility of a Tesla work van or high-capacity passenger van is strong, and there would certainly be a place for people to modify the van themselves. But in the end, the question is whether or not the price of a Tesla van would deter people from remodeling one as a tiny home. But we're sure Tesla lovers are excited about this new model, which will be a great choice for large families or frequent travelers. That is our video for today. We hope you like it. So if the prospect of an electric van excites you, would you want to own one for your family? Share all of your thoughts with us in the comment section below. Well, that's all for now. This is Big Tech Media. See you again tomorrow. Keep in mind to like, share, and subscribe.